Lovely, good solar morning. This is a radical farmer here at Organic Farm 7. So I am going to be showing you one thing. You see, we can live without these other things, but it's so hard to live without food. When you go back in history, when there were no pieces of clothes, people used to live naked with just a piece of cloth covering one part of the body, but they used to eat. You see, food is so important than most of the things. And right now, as you can see, this year we are likely to have a severe drought than the one we had last year. Likely. That's the word which the weather forecast guys use. Likely. So meaning if things turn around, you're still in the safe zone. You're still in the parameters where you said the truth. Okay? So now, what am I saying? What I'm saying is, see, it is time to invest in solar. Many of us have become relaxed. Many of us think that things are going to be better. And you see, the days are moving, the dates are moving. And if you don't take action now, there's no one who is going to take action on your behalf. If there's anything that you have to do, putting all the pieces together to fight the problems that face you, it is now. So here is an effective irrigation system that you can use to water your plants. This is a solar pump installed and supplied by Organic Farm 7 with more than 10 years of experience, practical experience in terms of understanding all the intricacies of solar installation. Like you see, when you talk about solar installation, you talk about securing solar systems. Farm 7, it does the very best. As you can see, this solar system is installed right on a very busy road where people pass on a daily basis. We have placed this right here because we trust our security features, both visible and invisible. There's actually one scripture that I love so much in the book of Psalms. It says, except the Lord keep the city, they that watch but in vain. There is physical security, but also there is a supernatural security that is whenever we're doing an installation, we place a hand and say, God, protect these panels from these criminals that want to reap where they didn't sow. But we don't neglect doing the right thing. So this is a swinging solar stand. As you can see, there are 4 panels, 550 watts, each of them. And you see, they can swing stably. And they catch the sun that side. We position them so well. You see, in the morning, they come and face this side. And one thing that I love about this is the issue of stability. I can hold them like this. Look, very, very stable. So, if you love quality work, you don't love mediocre work. You want quality that is trustworthy. Come near, my friend, and see. You talk about excellence. Look at the angles, the shapes. So it is even hard for a thief to put in a tool to remove this because we understand what excellence means. Look at that. Just look at that. So we look at the angle on the corner here. This was welded by us. Look at the angle. You see, it's high time we embrace quality and efficiency and excellence in the way we do things. So these actually, they swing. They can swing 180 degrees. So in the morning, you place them like this. At noon, you press them here. How about that one? Look at that. How about that one? You are using the sun to the fullest. Some people have to wait up to 9 and there's even load shedding of sun, even when the sun is still there. But with us, you actually capture each and every shine of the sun, each and every. And now, one good thing about these solar panels, these are bifacial solar panels. They capture from this angle, as you can see. When you turn them this side also, they can also capture from the back, front and back, like a 2-edged switch, which can cut from both angles. This is what these panels do. So very, very efficient. Now, the way we install our panels, we understand what the pump deserves. In terms of quality of cable, come near, my friend, and see what I'm talking about. Look at how this is well secured. The cable, look at that, well secured. And also the thickness of the cable. We know when to use a 2.5 millimeter. We know when to use a 4.0. millimeter. We know what kind of cables to use to get power from one end to the other. Now just look at how the cables are well organized. Look at that, well organized. And we paint this to prevent the stands from rust. Okay, then coming this side, look at the material. So the quality of materials also matters. Look at how firm this is. Very, very firm. So we make, if a thief is going to come and steal, the thief has to work extremely very hard. The work here is not easy. Then how we lock these panels? They look very simple, but you see, this is one of the toughest things that we've done here. There are both self-drilled screws everywhere here that are actually right here, and they have been done in such a way that you cannot remove them. This is a permanent installation, so you need special tools to remove this, and it is not possible for you to remove them without breaking them. So if you come here, it's either you break them or you get, like actually you uproot all this. You need a excavator, you need a mazembe to come and actually remove this from here. Okay, having said that, I'm wishing you a very powerful organic. Now here there's cloud cover. Now I want to show you how the water can handle. As you can see right here, we have a pipe. See? So the water is actually under cloud cover, is coming out like this. And this is happening. This pump was installed at 65 meters. This solar system that we have here can actually pump water at 180 meters. This is a deep submersive pump, so it can pump at a very deep. So no wonder when we always ask you, send us a borehole report so that we can assess and give you the best results. Design, and every solar installation is unique. Stay blessed and stay super organic. If you need your solar system to be installed the right way, if you need your solar system to be installed by people that are not just looking for money, but people that understand what needs to be done, Farm7 is the place. What we do, we supply, deliver, test, install, then hand over to you. Then after that, we are always available to help you whenever you have a problem, because these things sometimes they have a problem. It's not like, you know, sometimes they're perfect, but they have problems. We are going to run to come and solve that problem in an event that it rises, and we give you 2 years warranty, so you are guaranteed. Stay blessed and stay super